Introducing the amazing F&F Dishwasher, the easiest way to do dishes. You no longer need to scrub or rub. It's clean crockery, cutlery, and all type of glasses, cups, and bottles. The washing right has 10,000 super cleaning bristles that scrub dirty dishes, making it squeaky clean. Its handy section parts keep the washing right in place. Simply dip, spin, and rinse. Not only it saves your time and energy, but you also using less soap and water. So order your F&F dishwasher right now. Less water, soap, energy, and less time.
Relax and grab yourself a beverage. Hop if you wanna just bounce to my leverage. The evidence, as they say, is in the pudding. So show me the money like my name is Cuba